In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung device. Do Not Disturb mode is a helpful feature that silences notifications and calls when you don't want to be interrupted. However, there are times when you may want to disable this feature and allow notifications to come through. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Notifications. After that, tap where it says Do Not Disturb. To turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch over here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.